These amphibians have real superpowers. This is why biologists are obsessed with this animal. This is one of the rarest animals on Earth. In some of Earth's most hidden places, remarkable creatures thrive. Some amphibians can freeze, regenerate, and turn transparent. Here are the top 5. You'll have incredible luck if you like and subscribe to my channel if you are not a robot. Comment, human. Poison dart frog, Central and South America. One frog can contain enough toxin to kill multiple humans. Its bright colors warn predators, do not touch. Hellbender salamander, USA, breathes almost entirely through its skin. This giant salamander relies on clean, fast-flowing rivers, making it a key environmental indicator. Glass frog, Central America. You can see its beating heart through its skin. Its transparent belly helps it camouflage against predators from below. Wood frog, North America. Fact: can freeze solid and come back to life. Up to 70% of its body water freezes in winter. Its heart stops beating, then restarts in spring. Axolotl, Mexico, can regenerate limbs, organs, spinal cord, and even parts of its brain. This forever young salamander never fully grows up and keeps its larval features for life. Small, silent, and extraordinary, amphibians are among Earth's greatest survivors. Which one shocked you? Follow for daily animal facts.